Watched a horse before, Sean?
I have.
Oh. But you never rode one? What are you doing?
I've rode one.
Is that the one that you brushed?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know if anything else weird was going on.
Pause. I didn't sign a waiver for that one.
Give her a nice little fade. Nice little taper fade. All right. I think she looked good. Walking out with it, or am I getting on in here? I'm going to say, how do I put it in reverse?
Is he going to be galloping by the end of the day?
Who, me? I'm me looking like Paul Revere. Ooh. All right, this feels a little.